Hi guys, welcome to the Stories Unlimited. Today on this video, I am going to tell you a story, Caring for Nature. So guys, without wasting the time, let's start the video. The king of the jungle was enjoying his afternoon nap. Suddenly, he heard the voices of many animals. He opened one eye and saw the elephant, owl, snake, and deer standing before him. He opened the other eye and saw the pigeon, squirrel family, wolf, and monkey. He sat up and roared, "You have interrupted my sleep. What's the matter?" The villagers are planning to cut the trees for firewood. The monkey heard them talking about it. "What will we do now? Where will we go now?" said the elephant. All the animals shuddered and a shiver of fright ran through them. They would have now here to go if the trees were cut. Already there were lots of empty spaces in the forest because of the woodcutters had cut many trees. "I have an idea," said the little squirrel meekly. "Let's hang fruits and flowers all over the trees. The villagers may understand that the trees are not only our homes, but also provide them many useful things." The other animals loved the idea. The lions also gave his approval. All the animals set to work. There was much to do and very little time left. Next morning, the villagers came with axes to cut trees. They saw juicy fruits and bright flowers hanging from the trees. Beehives on the trees were dripping honey. Birds were perched on the branches, and the animals, big and small, were lying peacefully in the shade of trees. The villager understood what the animals were trying to say. They felt ashamed of themselves. The villager headman said, "From today no one will cut any tree. Trees are our wealth. They give us food, shade, and shelter." Hearing this, all the animals shouted with joy. They had saved their homes. So guys, this is today's story. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe our channel to get more videos from Stories Unlimited. Bye bye.